between the security forces and the terrorists. And the operation is taking place in the upper reaches of Kashtigar. And terrorists have, what we understand is that second terrorist has, now this is another encounter, viewers, we're talking about. This is happening in Kupwara, and another terrorist has been gunned down. Second terrorist to be neutralized in this operation that is going on in Kupwara. And forces have launched an all-out anti-terror operation in Jammu and Kashmir, viewers, right from Doda to Kupwara. And search operation also underway in Poonch. My colleague Zeenat joins us live on the broadcast. Zeenat, another good news coming in is that the second terrorist has been gunned down in Kupwara.
Oh, Rakshita, yes, we are the first one rather to break this input on our channel, and 1.5 hours before that the two terrorists have been neutralized. But now the confirmation that is now again coming from the 15 Corps, the Chinar Corps, who take care of the entire valley as far as the anti-terror operations are concerned, coming from the Indian Army. Now they have also confirmed through their tweet that the two terrorists have been neutralized in this operation and the dead bodies have been recovered. So it is very important, apart from neutralizing a terrorist, that his dead body should be recovered, then only the operation is counted. As of now, this operation has been named as Operation Rajbir. And I'll ask my VJ to show you the visuals of the terrain where this operation is on. This is the Keren Kupwara sector, where the joint teams of Jammu and Kashmir Police, the SOG Kupwara, along with Indian Army, the 6RR, have been doing the operation since 12:15. They have received the input about the movement of the terrorists who were trying to infiltrate. Accordingly, the SOPs were followed and the deployment on ground was done. They were the heavily armed terrorists. That is what we are picking from the sources. The Pakistani terrorists, heavily armed terrorists who were trying to sneak in, because Pakistan has been trying best to disrupt the line of control, trying to disrupt the hinterland. But we are seeing the forces on alert as far as the line of control is concerned, because Keren is a sector which is quite close to line of control. And then if you want to come to the hinterland, definitely you have to cross line of control. But we see the deployment of the security forces along the line of control makes difficult for these terrorists to sneak in. And that is what happened in today's operation as well, when the terrorists, a group of 3 to 4 terrorists who were making movements in this area, and the credible leads about the movement was received by the Jammu and Kashmir Police, that was shared with the Indian Army, and accordingly the operation, the joint operation, was launched, and still this operation is taking place here in this very terrain. So as of now, the 2 dead bodies of the Pakistani terrorists, the heavily armed terrorists, have been recovered, and the anti-terror operation is still continuing in the Keren sector in Kupwara's North Kashmir.
All right, thank you so much, Zeenat, for joining us with those updates coming in, viewers. We will come back to you as the operation is still underway. In the latest, viewers, 2 terrorists have been neutralized.